Good afternoon, Stacey J here in my studio. Welcome back anyone who has subscribed to me and seen me before, and welcome to anyone new that has dropped in for the very first time. So today's title of my vlog is going to be Happy Mail. So I get some happy mail, not much, which it's fine. I'm fine with that. I'm okay with that. But you know, when you get that little surprise because you just don't know that somebody in the other side of the whole entire world send you something. So I think, excuse me, while I just get the mascara that I just knocked off my eyelashes into my eyeball. Anyway, so I have been trying to sort something out for postage today myself, and I think I spent 2 hours trying to figure out how to fill something out, because not that I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed, it's just that the shed key was lost. So it took me a while to get in there. Anyway, so in the meantime, I spoke to the lovely Karina from over in Norway, and she asked me a question, and the question was not out of left field, because I have received some fabric, as you know, from Karina in the past. If you don't know, then you've got to go back and watch Happy Mail from Karina. Anyway, so she says, when it comes into Auckland, do you get it the same day? And I said, oh, no. I said, you get that overnight. That's an overnight thing, because it's like, it's not 13 hours away. That was Brisbane to Sydney. I said it's like, 9 hours away. So I'd like come in, if it goes in that day or that morning, then it will get on a truck, which will make its way down the country, and then will probably be popped in. Well, I don't know when it got to Auckland. All I know is that the courier van came today, and he's just pulled up, and I thought it was Mr. Christopher's home, but no, he isn't. Much better. Much better greeting. Sorry, Mr. Christopher, but seriously. Anyway, so without an inkling whatsoever of what, I'm just looking for some scissors, the darling Karina has sent me from Norway, I got to read the label on the front, and then I cast my mind back to something I said to her. So, are you guys keen to see what's in the box? It's a pretty little blue box. Blue. I won't show you what it's written on there, because it does have what's in there, because, that whole overseas thing. I just seriously wasn't prepared to come on today, because, some days I don't dress as nice as other days. Sometimes I vlog in really bad clothes, and yeah, it's been a sort of a wishy-washy day. Like I said, it's been a couple of hours trying to figure out how to send something away, and then Mum popped in for a cuppa, and we ended up chatting about things and looking at a baby lock, as you do. I don't, but as you do. Talked about that. We jumped on to a couple of vloggers who have talked about the baby lock. I don't know, baby lock something, can't remember the name of it. Anyway, so I've undone this parcel. I'm pulling the lid back. Got a little letter here. Starts with, hello mate, hello matey. Oh, that's such a lovely letter. Right. It's a bag. See, it's a bag. These plastic bags in this country, we treat them like gold, because it's a oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is lovely. Look at it. Oh, it's like a little It's, I watched you make this. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh, look at this. I love it. Isn't it gorgeous? And it's got the rainbow, sorry, the rainbow hardware. Look at that with these little ones. It's a double zip. Roses. Wow. Oh, it's so beautiful. And it's got here, this is Karina's label. Okay, yep, now I've really looked at it, Karina, I can really see it now. That is awesome the way you did that label. I mean, I've seen it a million times, but now I've actually, and it's got a little heart, like that. Oh, it's just divine. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's my father. She's pinched the photo, which is not a bad thing. She's pinched the photo, I think, off my Facebook. Isn't that just adorable? I know who had the trusty work to do with that. Oh my gosh, that is just... oh, wow. Look at that. You can really notice it on the camera. That's the same as everything actually. Same as that. Oh, thank you. It's so gorgeous. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh, Tom, you're a legend. This is a zipper overlay. Okay, so you cut that out and you cut the hole out, and then it's like when you put leather over and what are those things called? Like on bags, like a zip, and you put that as the overlay instead of, that's for rivets. And that's a square, so square one and a rounded one. Oh, look, aren't they so cool? Oh, wait. There's more! You get a set of steak knives. Oh, this is for other... Oh, okay, okay. So you put your... Oh, okay, so that's a rivet template. And you mark where you want your rivets, and that goes all through to like 1/2 inch. I think it's inches. No, it's not an inch, Stacey. Looking at you know it's not an inch, you twit. So that's the centimeters. And that's rivets that way. You got Tom to do some work for me. Yeah. She told me to check the pockets, by the way. It's in my note. I'm checking all the pockets. Oh, look at the inside. These colours are absolutely lovely. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you, thank you. Oh, what are you going to do for your mother-in-law? Oh, I do love that. That is very awesome. And this belting is just such a beautiful texture as well. Oh, thank you, my friend. That is absolutely just beautiful. It is. I love it. It goes with my shirt. Easy bye-bye. Oh, but look at all these. We were talking about them one night, actually. Look at all my acrylics. But this is just, oh. You can see the whole, oh, you can't see the jumper in my watch, but the jumper goes up the back there behind him, and that's what that is. That's his jumper there. Oh, you're gorgeous. Thank you very much. So I'd like to say thank you to Karina. That was so beautiful what I just received, and out of the blue. And it didn't take the Vikings even half as long to get it to me this time. I don't even know it's coming. Oh, it's just, oh. Oh, okay, sorry, there's a zip overlay inside there. See that? So that would fit. Oh, it might be squared because it's tucked behind the thing. Okay, and it will go over there like that. So you'd cut it out on, that's actually cork. That is cork, and that's vinyl. And that would be waterproof canvas. And that will sit over the top like that. And cut it out and then sew it on. And oh, it's such a beautiful job. Love it. I just love it. Love it. Big pockets to, oh, she was showing me how she was making this. Cheeky girl. Thank you. Hey guys, jump over to see Karina because she makes tons and tons. I think I usually always shout out, but she makes tons and tons of bags. Gorgeous looking bags, okay? I mean gorgeous looking bags. And oh, so nice. It's just, I got a bag from Norway. And thank you, Tom. Well, obviously Karina, because you know. There's Samuel's there. So anyway, guys, stay well, stay warm, stay dry, keep cool, keep on sewing. Hi, honey. Keep on sewing, stay hydrated, and no regrets. I'm so lucky. Okay, I'm back for a second. I have just looked at the back of this. And it says on the back, in loving memory. I'll stop it from shaking. Isn't that gorgeous? I just thought I'd better let you know that that's what it said. I've only just seen that. Sorry about the dogs barking. Get that on the big chops.